The man accused of fatally shooting a teenager inside a convenience store in Monroe County will head to trial. Police say Andrew Kutrocki shot 17-year-old Garrett Gearhart back in November. Gearhart later died at the hospital. News Watch 16's Emily Kress was in court for today's preliminary hearing.
25-year-old Andrew Kutrocki appeared before a judge for his preliminary hearing. He faces homicide and related charges after police say he shot 17-year-old Garrett Gearhart inside the Wawa on West Main Street in Stroudsburg back in November. Gearhart later died at the hospital.
To date, the only documented connection between the victim and his few friends and the defendant and that group occurred minutes before. Outside the Wawa.
Investigators say after that brief encounter in the parking lot between the two groups, Kutrocki and his family and several others left, but later returned to the store. A fight broke out, then Andrew allegedly fired a shot at Gearhart after the teenager stepped in to help a friend.
Shooting the victim while the victim was on the ground and in his back really negates any sort of play toward self-defense.
The Monroe County District Attorney laid out evidence including body camera images from the scene, surveillance video, autopsy reports, and cell phone data. He also showed texts from Kutrocki to his girlfriend minutes after the shooting, which read, "I am going to jail. I just shot some kid. I'm sorry. I love you." Videos and photos were also found on his phone, posing with a 9mm handgun.
Playing with the gun, proud of the gun, talking about the gun. We did receive the gun from the family at our request, and of course that's off in the ballistics lab now.
Through the investigation, Stroud Area Regional Police learned several members of the Kutrocki family were inside the convenience store at the time of the shooting, including Kutrocki's father and 15-year-old brother.
I never had a case of this sort where a seemingly random act of violence that led to homicide was committed in the presence of multiple family members.